Stop scrolling if your child has a cough you just can't seem to get under control. Watch until the end. There is a simple, natural remedy you can make at home with just a few ingredients. This gentle homemade drink can help soothe your cough in just a few days. No expensive and full of chemicals cough syrups. Here is an easy recipe you can try at home, and I am sure you already have all the ingredients that you need. Mash 2 ripe bananas into a smooth puree. Use a wooden fork if you have one. Pour boiling water over the mixture and stir well. Let it cool for about 30 minutes. Add a spoon of honey after it cools, and this keeps its healing benefits intact. Give your child about 100 milliliters, up to 4 times a day. It will love the taste, and not complain or not want to drink it. Save this for later and share it with other parents who need to try this cough wonder. Comment banana and I will send you my handbook for more healthy tips and tricks. And that's why you should.